Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a product from your online store on Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log into your Hostinger account and go to websites. Here, next to the online store that you want to delete your product on, click on Manage Store. We are now in the store management area, and to delete a product, simply go to products and you will see the available products on your online store. For example, let's say that I want to delete this hand soap product. Simply click on these three dots and select delete. Before this, I will view it in store. This is the hand soap product that I want to delete, and if I click on delete, I will see this window pop up. After you delete this product, all product information will be lost. Yes, click on delete. And now let's refresh this deleted product to see what happened. It still exists. This is totally normal because all products or all store changes requires to updating your website to fully take effect online. So click on edit website button to go to this website builder and update my website from here. Now that my website is updated, let's refresh again the same page. And as you see, page not found means that my product is completely deleted from my website. And this is how to delete a product in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.